Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you make a horizontal scroll, and this is really one of things we can start to depend on that situation, which is really to be about whenever we want to have the site that is really making it really very important and much better about to place content wider than the frame. So what we're gonna do is about to have this frame, for example, turn on clip content. Maybe scroll if you wanted to make use scroll wheel zoom. Okay, again, we can also start to have clip content, toggle clip content, and this will be like this. And then start to prototype, set the overflow is horizontal, and this will be about to have something for scrolling to work this frame. The content needs to be bigger than the frame. So really, this will be about to have this frame, for example, and this will be about to be scrolling, and that is all about how we see